one of them's orange. Welcome back to Alkaline TV. We found some trees that are native and tropical fruit. They're called pawpaw, if you've never heard of it. They look like little mangoes. So we're attempting to grow about 10 of these trees. If you've tried it before, let us know in the comments what you think they taste like. This is a video about a native tropical plant that you can find in the Midwest of the US and also in parts of Canada, if you believe that. Look how big that one is. It's as big as my head. We're going to be attempting to transplant an orchard of these trees.
We should come back before we leave.
And then her husband said, is there
This guy's got some root hair there.
Yes.
What's those ones at Christmas time?
These are
Things
so
like this?
difficult to pull.
This guy's gonna go.
You filming this?
All right, we just transplanted these and watered them, drenched them completely. So he put some chicken poop in there. Hopefully that was the right move. And we'll see if they're surviving in a couple months or something. Yeah, these are not supposed to get direct sun when they're young for the first couple years.
It might be a little premature.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask the guy over the guy at the middle field had some pawpaws trees for sale.
Right.
You're my good boy.
Right.
So I'm really excited to see how the pawpaw grow. It should take them a few years to bear fruit, but it'll be worth it. All right, now we're gonna cross the lake. Check this out, it's nice and sparkly. Nice day out, isn't it? Looks nice, but too brutally hot.